Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix WhatsApp status video quality. To know how to fix WhatsApp status video quality, you should just go to settings like this. You will click and you will enter here. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of WhatsApp and you will enter. After that, in this page you will go to force stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage here and you will click. After that, in this page you will click clear cache and then you will go to click clear data, and after all that you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.